It's Corona time. Hey, it's Corona time right now.
What are you doing, bro?
Hey, it's Corona time right now. It's Corona
What's it look like I'm doing? Washing the car.
It's
It's a
Corona
car wash.
time.
I don't even know why we're
Hey,
doing
it's
this, dude.
Corona time right
It's
now.
like, it's the middle of the coronavirus. Who's gonna come? The social distancing and everything? This is your car.
It's Corona time.
Don't you worry about people coming. Put an ad outside, everyone's gonna come.
It's Corona
And yeah, it might be my car, but like I said, we're gonna wash it so everyone can see what a good job we do. But if you're there, those shorts like a flamingo, watering it like it's your ficus at home,
It's Corona time.
no one's even gonna take us serious and decide to bring their cars here.
Corona time right
Do you even know how to wash a car?
now. Time right now.
Yeah, man, I know how to wash a car. You know, get
Corona time.
a bit of soap,
It's
right?
Corona time. Hey,
So,
it's
right
Corona
there.
time right now. It's Corona time.
You're done.
It's Corona time.
That's it. I'll get there. I'll get there. It's fine.
Hey, it's Corona
All right.
time right now.
So you got the concept of it, but it needs a little work. Look, I'll show you around this time how to do it, and then all the cars after that we'll do together, okay? Don't worry about it. Figure it out. All right. Okay, everyone. So the things you're gonna need when you wash the car at home, you're gonna need a bucket. If you can, a brush for the rims, because they get a little dirty. Some tire wet, makes the tires shine. Some soap. Try not to use dish soap because it's bad for the paint. A sponge. A spigot for your hose, so it makes it come out like a spray, and a towel to dry everything at the end.
You might not ever get rich, but let me tell you, it's better than digging a ditch. There ain't no telling who you might meet, a movie star, or maybe even a Indian chief at the car wash, working at the car wash, yeah. Come on and sing it with me, car wash. Sing it with the feeling now, car wash, yeah. Woo! Come some of the work gets kinda hard, and this ain't no place to be if you plan on being a star. Let me tell you, it's always cool, and the boss don't mind sometimes if you act the fool at the car wash. Whoa, 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 talking about the car wash, yeah. Come on, y'all, and sing it for me, car wash. Woo, woo, woo. Car wash, yeah. Work and work. Well, those cars never seem to stop coming. Work and work. Keep those bags and machines humming. Work and work. My fingers to the bone. Work. If I can't wait till it's time to go home. Hey, get your car washed today. Fill up and you don't have
Right,
to
so
pay.
if you were able to get tire wet for the tires, you're gonna need a few more things. You're gonna need a towel. First, you're gonna wipe the tire dry.
Talking about the car wash.
Once the tire's dry, you're gonna spray it all throughout the tire.
Come on, y'all, and sing it with me, car wash.
Make sure to put
Sing
a
it
good
with
amount.
feeling, y'all.
Get the other side of the towel. All the way around. Try to get close to the rim. There you go. That's it. That's it. Ready for the others? There's more. You know what? It's kind of late, and I accidentally put the schedule for tomorrow. So let's just go home. Ah, great. So it's for nothing. Well, at least I learned. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Look forward to seeing your videos of you washing the cars with your family. A few small notes. If you can't take something out with the sponge, leave it alone. It's bad for the paint. So if you did see any spots, they're like, hey, why didn't that come off? It's because I don't want to ruin it. Besides that, I really enjoyed making this video for you guys. Really excited to see the stuff that you put out. Really enjoying all the other videos that you've been posting, how creative you've been getting with the music and everything like that. I know it's been a while, but keep going strong. I enjoy seeing you guys in the meetings that we have, and get ready for next week's video. See you next time.